Welcome to another tutorial of CrowdSim 3D. In this tutorial, I'll explain the improved path following and new avoidance algorithm. Let's start with a very basic scene. I add a plane and a factory with 50 agents. I add a curve and create something like a straight line. I want the agents to follow this curve. I go to the CrowdSim node editor. The latest release comes with some templates. I choose path following. Select the collection of the curves and select the plane as ground mesh. I'm not using any animations for this scene, so I'll remove the animation blending. Run execute and have a look. You can see the agents moving along the curve. Let's bend the curve and see what happens. And still the agents are following the curve. Let's say I want the agents to move between two curves. Let's add another curve. Agents will follow the nearest curve, but when placed between two curves, they will move between these curves. You can also change the velocity of a curve. This means that agents near this curve will move at this velocity. Another example, where you have three groups of Vikings running between the curves. If you want the groups to mix in, then you can put the curves like this. You can also use curves to have your agents follow a certain path. Like in this example, I want the agents to move around the small lake. So I added two curves around the lake. Because I want the agents to mix in a little, I've used the three other curves to achieve this. So in CrowdSim 3D, you can also use curves to influence the path for your agents. You might have noticed that the agents are already avoiding each other by taking the optimal path and adjusting their velocity. The avoidance used here is the implicit force time to collision. It is based on this paper. With implicit force, you can avoid moving objects, but also stationary objects like trees. If you want to see or learn how this works, purchase the add-on and you can download these example files. Thank you for watching.